I almost didn't get out of bed today. Alarm rang, I opened my eyes and just started at the ceiling. No energy, no reason, no fire. Not sad, not broken, just tired. I thought, what's the point? What's the point of doing the same thing again, of trying again? And then I remembered something I heard once. You don't have to feel ready, you just have to move. So I did. One leg out, then the other, brushed my teeth, drank water, took a shower, and suddenly the day started. Not great, not powerful, but started. Sometimes that's all you need. Not a big goal, not perfect energy, just a little push, a small decision to move, to not give in. And by the end of the day, I looked back and thought, yeah, that was enough.